Alright guys, we're all packed up, ready to go to Vietnam. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm gonna miss all of my friends and all of my poopies.
Mila, you're coming back. You're fine.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
No.
Yeah.
I'm coming back in a month.
The truck's all loaded up. Rental car, of course. Mom, say hi.
Hello.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys later. We're ready to go to Vietnam. Say hi, everyone. Hey, this is Grandma when she takes pictures. Hey, we just landed here in San Francisco. It's so packed right now.
It's windy.
The weather's nice though, huh?
Yeah.
Real nice. It's nice and cool. Mila slept like half the way with her feet up. You can't do that on the airplane.
Not anymore.
No. Now we gotta wait 8 hours because of Mom. She had made us go early.
You made us go
Our flight
early.
doesn't. Right now it is.
You're the one driving.
Right
No,
now.
we have to wait for 7 hours now.
Right now it's 6:04,
So we have to
and
wait
our
for
flight's
7
not
hours.
until
1
tomorrow at 1 in the morning. Mom, don't you love me?
No, she don't anymore. After you made us go over here.
I know.
Alright, we're
We
good.
went to the mall. We could have went.
It's
shopping.
alright. It's alright.
Just tell me your friend.
So, we got some cool toothbrushes. They look like little astronauts.
Mine looks like an astronaut.
Yeah.
Toothbrush. This
Toothbrush.
is prison.
Prison toothbrush.
Yeah.
Prison toothpick. Floss.
Floss. It opens.
It's kind of cute, huh? A little toothbrush.
Why don't
Mine
they
looks
get
like motorcycles.
cute stuff?
Yeah. We're still waiting. Yeah, a bunch of people waiting. We don't get to check in till 8:40.
What time is it yet?
Only 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Yeah. So we just got our tickets and went through custodies and check-in and all that, and everything went pretty well. I forgot to take the laptops out of my bag, so they had to double check that. Other than that, our airplane is getting ready. If you can see it over there.
Wait, that's our airplane?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, you see Grandma? Grandma's shaking her head.
Wait, are we gonna have window seats?
Window seats? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
If we don't have.
Shows that we're
window
sitting together, but I don't know if we have window seats or not. So from here, we're going to fly from San Francisco to Taipei, and that's going to be what, almost 14 hours. And then we have like what, an hour to go in there.
2
Oh, is it 2 hours? 2 hours layover from Taipei to Ho Chi Minh. So not bad.
Mila's snacking.
It's been
right
7
now.
years since we've been to Vietnam, and Mila is eating a bunch of candy.
That's why she has cavity.
Yeah, she's gonna be all hyped up in the airplane, jumping around like a monkey. Right, Mila? Right? Open your mouth. Alrighty. We'll see you guys in Taipei. And off we go to the airplane.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Hi, Wai. We got our seats, and that's actually not bad. China Airlines gave us our pillows.
Yay! This is the best day ever.
Normally you don't give us pillows, but they gave us pillows. It's packed in here.
Your backpack needs to either go underneath.
It's like a towel.
Charlie, it needs to go underneath.
Wait,
Packed.
I unfolded it.
We're ready for Vietnam.
And your
What are we doing? We just got to
We're waiting
Taipei.
for our second plane. I fell asleep in most of the plane.
The first plane, huh?
Yeah.
I also love plane ride. It's so cramped.
I slept and then eat and then repeat. sleep, eat, repeat.
Yeah, I think we are gonna go get a massage after we get to Vietnam. Spa day. Yeah.
My back hurts. I have knots.
I know, mine too. So, alrighty. We'll see you guys later. So we just boarded on the last flight right now.
Hi.
From Taipei to Ho Chi Minh. We're about to take off after all these people boarded on, and we're off to Ho Chi Minh. Tila got some playing cards. Oh, that's cool. Tila, say hi.
Hi.
Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys. White. Alrighty. See you guys later.
We will continue to reach out.
Alright guys, we just landed here at our grandma's brother's house. Nice looking house. Vaulted ceilings. Mila and Tila's dorks right now. Got grandma's grabbing her stuff. Got some sugar cane drinks, these are good. What do you rate it, you guys? Good, Mila? 10 out of 10? Yeah? What about you, Tila?
8.5.
8.5? Oh, we can get ready to eat. Me? I would say a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. It's a big cup too. Big cup.
What happened to me?
Big cup.
Finish it.
They make us massage their feet.
Yeah, we're gonna get massage later. Massage later? Yeah, massage. Mom, say hi. Just leaving our hotel. Our hotel is Hanoi Hotel. We just went and took a shower,
Massage.
and now we're gonna go get a massage.
facial.
And facial treatment.
Facial treatment. Mom and Dad's gonna get a
Let's go.
massage. This way. So we're gonna walk over there. It's like a 10-minute walk. Just follow Mom.
Mom knows everything.
Mom knows
She used
everything.
to be here. Oh, be careful, be careful. Run!
It's cool.
So much motorcycles too.
I know Tila just got ran over at the airport.
Look, I should do that for workout.
I want to do that. It's so hot here.
It's humid and sticky, huh?
Yeah, I'm already sticky.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little workout area right here. I can work out right here.
Yeah, not do push up from the
Oh.
floor.
Wait, come here,
We're
Mia.
gonna become me dang. Do you know what me dang means?
What is it?
Black.
Oh my god. Want to ask someone?
It's a random
Ask that guy in the chair. We had to ask for directions.
Oh, we're so lost. Mommy, I thought you knew everything. You used to be here. Not this side.
Yeah.
Alright,
First hotel.
we're gonna go find this massage place and we'll continue our video from there. Look how crazy this traffic is.
We're lost. We don't know
We're
where
lost a
it is.
little, but we'll find our way. So we've been walking for like 15 minutes. We got lost. I think we're in the right way, or we're going the right direction. So almost there. We finally made it. Look at all the koi fish. So cool. Mila's so hot. 15 minute walk. You hot, Mila?
Yeah, but finally we're here.
It's nice and cool in here, huh?
I was gonna
Pretty
pass
cool
out.
place. This just has a koi pond. We're gonna look at the pricing right now. Sheila and me is getting a facial. Mom and Dad's getting a massage. I don't think we'll record live in massage, so
I'm getting this one or what?
we'll talk to you guys later. See how it's like.
You want?
How was it, Mila?
It was so good. So, there's this like smoke thing. It was smoky. It was really hot, and I couldn't breathe. I was like, and I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
Yeah,
No.
but it was really good.
How about you?
I'm so bald.
Huh?
It felt nice.
Yeah?
Mila fell asleep. Her toes was all the way out.
What'd you give it?
10 tenths.
Like a 9.5 out of 10. It's not that bad.
Yeah, 5?
It's just
I
the
know.
smoke thing.
Yeah,
How
I
was
fell
your
asleep. Mine was
massage?
good.
What'd you rate it?
9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10, something like that, yeah? It's good though.
We're gonna go to a pink plushie market next.
Okay.
The store.
Alright, sounds good. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in a minute. Cool. Style. We're gonna get hit. We're gonna get hit. How scary, huh?